Welcome to Cooking with Dave and Audie. I'm Dave, and Audie's outside where he can't hear or see me because today is blind taste test number 3. Audie's up next. Here's what I got for him. All right,
I'm excited. Let's do this.
Ingredient number 1: dried prune. He'll definitely know it's a dried fruit. I don't think there's much chance of him singing prune. My knife keeps digging into my ass.
I don't smell much.
Not that fragrant, you say?
Mm-hmm.
What are you thinking there?
It doesn't have much of an aroma. It's got a slight after flavor of raisin, which I always associate with prunes. I think that's a prune.
Good job, Audie.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well,
I'm kind of surprised.
I'm an old man. I don't like prunes.
I grew up eating prunes. Ingredient number 2.
Okay.
This is on a spoon.
I got you.
Got some macadamia nut. He's definitely going to know it's a nut. I don't think there's much chance of him calling macadamia nut.
Again, nothing really on the nose.
More if you'd like.
It's a nut. It doesn't have a really buttery, rich flavor.
Right. You trying to say it's not very fatty?
So my first guess is cashew.
It is not a cashew.
Okay. Then my second guess would be like an unroasted, minced up peanut.
You're definitely on the right track.
Damn.
This nut is very identifiable by its shape and size, so I had to mince it up. It's macadamia nut.
Yeah.
I got some dried dates. He'll definitely know it's a fruit again. He might say fig or something like that. I don't think he's even going to think of dates. Is that only our third ingredient so far?
Yeah. So it tastes like fruit that's been like candied, is what it tastes like.
What kind of fruit are you thinking?
My first guess would be fig.
That's exactly what I said you would guess.
Is that right?
But it's not fig.
No? God, I was so confident too. I'm gonna be way off. This is a guess. It tastes like candied squash, like pumpkin or something like that. It's got a really creamy, rich consistency to it.
So your guess would be then?
Yeah, it's wrong. I would say it's like candied pumpkin.
You were a lot closer the first time. That's date.
Yeah. Damn it.
This is 4, I think, then. This is on a spoon.
Okay.
I got some Blackstrap Molasses. It's gonna be sweet. It's just huge flavor of molasses. He knows this flavor. I'm not sure if he'll get it though.
Literally nothing on the nose.
Speaking of on the nose, it's all over your nose.
Molasses.
Yes, that's molasses. This one's on a fork.
Okay.
So I got some like plain flavored Greek yogurt.
Okay.
How do you feel about that?
Well, I'm gonna be incredibly close anyways. Sour cream?
It's not sour cream.
Okay. So then this would be like a Greek yogurt?
It's plain Greek yogurt.
Yeah. Nice and creamy and delicious.
Yep. Bright, acidic.
Yeah.
It's on a fork. Okay. So Audie got me green squash, and I got him green squash. I'm gonna have to find some clever way to serve this to him because he just tasted this.
See, I wouldn't have been able. Okay, can I tell you what my guess is?
Sure.
It's kohlrabi.
No, sir.
No?
No.
Is that right? God, it had the same texture and everything. Alright. Alright, I guess my second guess would be radish.
That's zucchini.
Is it really?
Yes, it is.
Did you just give it back to me?
No, it wasn't the one that you bought. It's the one that I bought.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding. That's not
random.
the joke.
That's so random. We both picked zucchini. Neither one's got it right.
Well, I mean, when was the last time you ate raw zucchini other than earlier tonight?
Well, but I had it earlier tonight.
Well, I did the same thing with turnip last week.
That's insane. It's soft, yeah.
This one's tricky. Sweetened condensed milk.
I might be wrong. And that's very sweet. Is it sweetened condensed milk?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank God I don't have to taste that again. That's very sweet. What is it called?
Tres leches?
Tres leches.
Tres leches.
That's right.
Alright, fork.
Alright. Awesome.
I got parsnip. Good chance of him getting that one. How you feeling about that one?
It's got a licorice flavor to it. Again, with your produce.
I'm the produce man. I'm the produce man. Don't eat veg out of a can. Do you like my rhyme?
It was very good.
What do you taste and smell?
Something like a root vegetable. It's got a really sweet, like spice flavor to it. I guess it has to be because I can't think of hardly anything. Is it like a sweet potato or a yam?
It is not a sweet potato or a yam.
It's got almost a sweetness and texture of like a carrot. I'm gonna say parsnips.
It is parsnip.
Yeah?
Yes, sir, it is.
Alright. I didn't realize how sweet and spicy it is. It tastes like the spices you add to pumpkin pie.
Tastes like sweet spices. Yeah. Cinnamon, nutmeg,
Yeah.
ginger,
Yeah. That's incredible.
clove, that kind of stuff. Anise. I got some Nutella. Good chance of him getting that one.
It's like chocolate, so it's like Nutella or chocolate fudge or like hot fudge, like topping for ice cream or something to that effect.
It's definitely chocolate.
Okay.
I need you to make a guess.
So you're saying that the Nutella guess is incorrect?
Well, you said like 4 things, so I don't know which one to pick.
Okay, so Nutella.
It is Nutella.
Alright.
Great job, Audie.
Yeah.
Killing it. You are killing it, my friend.
Wow, that tastes really good. That's a shocking ingredient from you, by the way. What crazy fucking chili is David gonna give to me in this fucking tasting? We'll never know.
Okay, this is a spoon. You want to not so shaky if you can. And some red wine vinegar. He'll definitely know it's vinegar. Can he say it's red wine vinegar? We'll find out.
Okay, that has a pickle, briny smell to it. It's vinegar. Do you want me literally to just say which vinegar it is?
That was the hope, yeah.
I think that's a bit much, but okay. Apple cider vinegar?
Not apple cider.
Whew, it's really aggressive. Distilled white vinegar?
No, I'll give you a third shot.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Red wine vinegar?
Red wine vinegar. Yes, sir.
Oh, God. God.
Shit's good for you, man.
Yeah, it's great. I smell like vinegar now.
I like when I took a little shot of it when I was preparing everything for you. Kind of surprised me how much I enjoyed it, really.
Oh, out of nowhere, it's a little aggressive.
Okay, this is on a fork.
Okay.
Another tricky one. Got some escargot, and this is not the cheap stuff either. This is like the, $10 a can from France. The same stuff that you would use in like a fairly nice restaurant, unless you're getting them fresh, which is almost impossible around here.
That's funky.
What do you think about that?
So it's got like a texture like meat. That's so weird. Because this also has a quality on the palate of something like a terrine, like the head cheese I gave you earlier. And there's these little pops that but it's sort of like aspic or gelatin that's kind of melted slightly. I'm gonna say head cheese.
It is not head cheese.
I'm literally not gonna get it. I have no idea.
Are you laying down your king? That's your...
What
Maybe you wind it up?
I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Like I can't.
You're just saying you don't have another guess.
I have no other
I
guess.
just wanted to confirm that before That's snails from France.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I gotta be honest. Those are like they're not grainy like snails I've had in the past.
No,
Like, they're pretty clean.
They're
like,
pretty tasty.
Yeah.
No, and I spent like $15 on a little, I don't know, 10-ounce can.
I'm sorry, dude, and I didn't even fucking sell it for the camera. I'm sorry.
No, you don't have to sell it.
I was completely lost.
No, I thought was if I was gonna get you something like snails, I'm gonna make sure they're at least good quality snails.
I ate them. Like, they taste good.
You didn't spit it out. Couldn't have been that bad.
Where am I at in the tasting?
I think this is the last ingredient. This is
Oh
definitely
my
the
God.
last ingredient.
I'm sure this is spicy as all fuck.
I got a big old jalapeno. I'm gonna make sure and give them the seeds because I'm running out of spicy chilies to feed them.
Yeah, and what do you fucking know, David? Right on the nose. I'm gonna call bullshit on this, by the way. The fact that it gives me a chili every single time and I call that it's a chili, I'm counting this as right as a chili. Because they're all fucking, once you have...
It may or may not be a chili,
It
but
definitely is.
you gotta identify which one it is.
No, that's horse shit.
You have
'Cause once you
identified some chilies. You've identified some spicy ones and not
That's
identified
fucking-
some ones that weren't spicy at all.
Oh, that's so dumb.
How do you even know it's gonna be spicy?
Because I can smell it on my nose. I know it's a chili.
You gave me banana pepper, wasn't spicy at all. See, you were all scared.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
There
Yeah.
you go. What's this thing about me always having to get a chili at the
Because
end?
it bothers you so much.
Alright, am I
That I'm
done?
liking the way you gave me mayo, tomato paste.
Yeah. What crazy ingredient? Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Alright.
Okay, so this is how we went. Macadamia nut.
Yeah.
You
didn't
missed
get
that one. Prune, surprisingly, first guess. Got prune.
Yeah, we ate prunes as a kid.
And then the date
It's
missed.
really close.
Yeah. Parsnips you got.
Yeah.
Zucchini you missed.
Right.
Yogurt you got.
Right.
Sweetened condensed milk you got. Molasses you got. Red wine vinegar you got. Snails you missed. And jalapenos. Oh, and the Nutella. That was the other one. Got the Nutella. I think you
8
got
out
a
of
9
12.
out of 8 out of 12.
Is that 8? Right? Missed one.
Another miss. Another miss.
2.
Another miss. Yeah. 8 out of 12. Same score, buddy.
Hey, we got the same score. This has been a lot of fun. This has been a lot of fun.
Getting better and better, I think. There's some things that
There's-
really surprise you. There's some things that
So like he
completely blow your mind.
he gave me an ingredient like snails, which while it was delicious, is a tough ingredient.
Yeah.
I gave him my mom's jam.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like that's kind of a hard ingredient
Yeah.
to figure out as well. But it makes you think about food differently. It really does.
And most of the time we get sort of on the right track of what, even
Yeah.
if we don't get it right, and sometimes we're way off.
I'm real proud of this. I'll take whatever that is, 66.6.
8 out of 12. No, that'd be 75%.
75?
Oh no, 66. Yeah, you're right. 66? Oh, it sounded better at 75. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. It's fun for us. I hope it's fun for you. Pleasure having you today. We're cooking with Dave and Audie. I'm Dave.
I'm Audie.
Thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful day.